It is often said that it is love that makes the world go round. However, without doubt, it is friendship which keeps our spinning existence on an even keel. Hailey and Tanner came together as friends. Today, they pledge to each other not only their love, but also the strength, warmth, and most importantly, the fun of true friendship. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and friendship.
Friends, we have gathered here today at the invitation of Tanner and Hailey to celebrate their love and the joining of their lives in marriage.
I hope they last 61 years like we did and be happy for the rest of their life.
Be happy, be kind, and love each other.
Hi Hailey, hi Tanner. We love you. Congratulations. Grandpa and I have been married for a long time, as you know. Keep up the tradition. We love you guys.
We love you guys.
Congratulations.
Hailey and Tanner, I can't believe this day's here. I actually thought you guys were married a long time ago. You've been together for so long.
Just take care of each other, be kind to each other, most of all, just love each other. Congratulations, Hailey and Tanner.
Hailey and Tanner, congratulations. Always remember, stay friends first, and live, laugh, love. Love you guys. Mwah. Thank you for being the 7 to our 6.
And thank you for being the glue to our friend group.
We love you guys.
Just keep that spirit in your hearts for the rest of your life.
Beautiful Hailey, handsome Tanner. Love you guys.
Tanner Blokel, understanding that marriage is a profound commitment built on love, respect, and trust. Do you confirm your desire and intention to enter this sacred relationship with Hailey?
I do.
Hailey Griga, do you confirm your desire and intention to enter this sacred relationship with Tanner? If so, answer I do.
I do. I, Hailey, take you, Tanner, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward.
I, Tanner, take you, Hailey, to be my wife, to have and hold, from this day forward.
With this ring, I seal my promise.
With this ring, I seal my promise.
Hailey and Tanner, I now pronounce you husband and wife. May your union be filled with love, joy, and peace as you embark on your journey together. Tanner, you may kiss your bride. May I present Mr. and Mrs. Blokel.
Congratulations, Hailey and Tanner. Wishing you health, happiness, and love. Excited to party.
Woo-hoo!
Congratulations. Love you both. Tanner, you're officially a member of the family, and we couldn't be happier.
We're so happy to have you as a brother, Tanner. Love you both. Thanks for making Tanner officially our cousin!
so much.